Hi students, good evening to all of you and welcome to my channel. Students, today's topic is Kingdom Animalia, phylum Coelenterata. As we have already discussed about phylum Protozoa, phylum Porifera, then the next phylum in Kingdom Animalia, that is phylum Coelenterata. Students, phylum Coelenterata, the word Coelenterata was first coined by Leucart. And the word derived from two Greek words. It is first described by Leucart, and the word is derived from two Greek words, that is koilos and enteron. पिलामाने कोइलस रो मीनिंग होची होलो आउ एंटेरन रो मीनिंग होची इंटेस्टाइन. So there is a cavity found within their body, those animals belonging to that of phylum Coelentrates. So phylum Coelentrates having some significant characters, some key characters I have written here, and it will be described one by one. The term Coelenterata was first given by Leucart, and it is the phylum of metazoans. As you know, students, protozoans are the primitive organisms, then metazoans, later on those are evolved on earth, they are metazoans. The unicellular organisms includes in phylum Protozoa, and later on the multicellular organisms, they are included in the next phylums, or the first multicellular animal, they are included in phylum Porifera, and it is the second metazoan phylum. So it includes all the multicellular organisms. So these are metazoans, they are aquatic. In habitat जदि आमे देखिबा organism गुडिकर, they are aquatic in habitat, mostly they are marine forms. अधिकांश समुद्र रे वास करुथिबा बेले अल्प केतेक like that of hydra, they are fresh water coelentrates, but mostly they have marine animals. These are solitary or colonial. पिले माने solitary माने ए माने एकुटिया रहंती किंबा दलबद्ध भाव में कॉलोनी रे रहंती, that is why it is called as colonial. Gastrovascular cavity is present. जदि organism मानकर आमे स्टडी करिबा ताले there is a cavity present within its body, and it is called as gastrovascular cavity, that is why it is called as enteron. So digestion takes place within that gastrovascular cavity. So gastrovascular cavity is the peculiar character to this phylum, organisms belonging to this phylum. These organisms are radially symmetrical. पिलामाने body symmetry जदि आमे देखिबा, its body symmetry is radially symmetrical. Radially symmetrical means at any point, if we cut through that central axis, then it can divide two identical halves. That is called as radially symmetrical. So those organisms belonging to this phylum, they are radially symmetrical, some are bilaterally symmetrical, and body wall is diploblastic. These includes the diploblastic organisms. पिले माने diploblastic एथि पय कहै जाउछि, the body wall is formed of outer ectoderm and inner endoderm. बाहर पटे रहला ectoderm एवं भीतर रहला endoderm, and in between that ectoderm and endoderm there is a jelly like non-cellular substance present, that is called as mesoglea. So mesoglea differentiate that ectoderm and endoderm. Outer ectoderm, body wall ka bhitar pata hela endoderm, in between that ectoderm and endoderm the space is filled by non-cellular jelly like substance, that is called as mesoglea. So these are एसिलोमेट पिले माने आगु जानिछ ए रो मीनिंग होची एब्सेंट सिलम रो मीनिंग होची बॉडी कैविटी ट्रू बॉडी कैविटी और सेकेंडरी कैविटी इज एब्सेंट फ्रॉम दीज एनिमल्स गैस्ट्रोवास्कुलर कैविटी इज प्रेजेंट बट any secondary cavity is absent, that is why these are not coelomate, so these are acoelomate or absence of that coelom is there. Its body plan is blind sac like body plan. Phylum Coelenterate थिबा organism गुड़िकर जदि आमे body plan देखिबा, there is a single opening present for taking food into it and for discharge of that waste materials. There is a single opening present. That is why it is called as blind sac like body plan. There is a sac like structure and only one opening is there. Hence it is called as blind sac like body plan. Locomotory structures are tentacles, but most of the organisms they get attached to the substratum. सबस्ट्रेटम संगे लागि थांती किंतु लोकोमोटरी ऑर्गेनेल देखिबा को गले आज हम लोकोमोशन इज द डिस्प्लेसमेंट ऑफ एन ऑर्गेनिज्म फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस सो फॉर इट्स मूवमेंट सम लोकोमोटरी ऑर्गेनेल्स आर आल्सो प्रेजेंट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ टेंटाकल्स टेंटाकल्स मींस सम होलो फिंगर लाइक structures that arises from anterior end of the body which encircle the mouth which also help in capturing of food ताले खाद्य कैप्चर करिबारे सहायता कला एवं इति एक्ट आल्सो आज ए लोकोमोटरी ऑर्गेनेल एवं चलन करिबा को से ऑर्गेनिज्म मानकर चलन रे मध्ये सहायक होथिबारु आकु आमे कहले लोकोमोटरी ऑर्गेनेल सो इट इज प्रेजेंट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ टेंटाकल इफ वी ऑब्जर्व द रेस्पिरेशन ऑफ दिस ऑर्गेनिजम्स रेस्पिरेशन इज एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन पिले माने रेस्पिरेशन दी प्रकार गोटे होची एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन आ गोटे होची अनएरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन ताकू कहिबा इन व्हिच ऑक्सीजन इज रिक्वायर्ड दैट इज कॉल्ड एज इन व्हिच टाइप ऑफ रेस्पिरेशन ऑक्सीजन इज रिक्वायर्ड दैट इज एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन एंड without presence of oxygen or absence of oxygen respiration carried out that is called as anaerobic respiration so aerobic respiration takes place by utilization or in presence of that oxygen and it occurs through general body surface as there is no such organs present in its body tissue grade of organization here tissue grade of organization cells aggregate together to form the tissue but it lacks that organ and organ system that is why there is no such respiratory organ present in its body but for exchange of gases general body surface is there which help in exchange of that respiratory gases so respiration is carried out by presence of that general body surface and these are amonotelic organisms. As you know, as per elimination of that nitrogenous waste, and here the eliminated nitrogenous waste is ammonia. So those organisms eliminates that nitrogenous waste in the form of ammonia. They are called as amonotelic animal, and coelentrates are amonotelic animals as they eliminate that nitrogenous waste in the form of ammonia. So that excretion is also occurs by general body surface. Digestion is extracellular or intracellular. जदि ए ऑर्गेनिज्म गुडी करा में डाइजेशन जानिबा ताहले intracellular digestion occurs within the cell or it will occur within definite cavity of the body. That is why it is also called as extracellular digestion. Digestion occurs within the cell, intracellular, and digestion occurs outside the cell within a definite cavity. That is called as extracellular digestion. And nervous system is of diffused type. पिले माने मानकर जदि nervous system देखिबा ताहले the nervous system comprises of non-polar or apolar neurons which is present in the form of diffused type or nerve nets are present in its body wall. So poorly developed nervous system is there, and reproduction occurs both asexual and sexual. Here another important point is the asexual reproduction is alternated by sexual reproduction. The asexual life cycle of coelentrates is altered by sexual mode of life cycle. That is why it is called as alternation of generation or metagenesis. It is the important characteristic feature of coelentrates. So both asexual and sexual reproduction exhibited there. In asexual reproduction, budding is there, regeneration is there. So in sexual reproduction, it also increase its population, and alternation of generation is otherwise called as metagenesis. Alternation of generation means asexual life, but asexual generation is altered by sexual generation. That is why it is called as alternation of generation or metagenesis. So this is all about that general characteristic feature of that phylum Coelentrate. पिले मैंने आउ थरे टिके रिमाइंड कर दियो phylum Coelentrate रे थिबा ऑर्गेनिज्म गुडी को इट इज सो डाइमॉर्फिक. पिले मैंने डाइमॉर्फिक एथि पाई कुहा जाउची. Mostly they are dimorphic but they show polymorphism. डाइमॉर्फिक डाइर मीनिंग होची दुई, मॉर्फ र मीनिंग होची आकार. दीटा आकार रे देखा जानती मोस्टली. गोटे होची पॉलीपॉइड आ गोटे होची मिडोसॉइड. पिले माने पॉलिप गुडी को सिलिंड्रिकल शेप हेथिबा बेले मिडोसॉइड फॉर्म ऑफ दैट फाइलम Coelentrate आर अम्ब्रेला सेट, and it is so polymorphism. Different joints are present in some organisms, and some of the Coelentrates they are able to form that coral reefs, and corals are formed by these phylums. Organisms present in this phylum they form coral reefs. So once again the important general characters are प्रथम जदि आमे देखिबा tissue grade of organization, डिप्लोब्लास्टिक बॉडी वॉल, एसिलोमेट. पिले माने एमानकर ऑर्गन नाही कि ऑर्गन सिस्टम नाही, गैस्ट्रोवास्कुलर कैविटी अछि एवं एई फाइलम थार आरंभ हिचे नर्वस सिस्टम रा अर्थात एपोलर न्यूरॉन रे तयारी हेथिबा नर्व नेट इज प्रेजेंट देयर एवं ब्लाइंड सैक लाइक बॉडी प्लान. एमानकर बॉडी प्लान जदि हम देखिबा गोटे ब्लाइंड सैक बा अंध मुनि सदृश, as it has only single opening for intake of food as well as for discharge of that waste materials. So this is all about that general character of phylum Coelentrates. Then we go to that classification. As a classification is important for NEET examinations, that is why I am just teaching you some lines of that classification, some brief classification. So phylum Coelentrate is classified into 4 different classes. पिले माने phylum Coelentrate को चारिटा मुख्य क्लास रे विभक्त करा जायछि. The first class is Hydrozoa. पिले माने first class is Hydrozoa. So हाइड्रो रो मीनिंग होची वाटर, जोआन रो मीनिंग होची एनिमल्स. सो दीज आर aquatic. एमिति देखिबा को गले Coelentrates आर आल्सो aquatic. सो दीज आर फ्रेश वाटर और मेराइन इन हैबिटेट. ये ऑर्गेनिज्म माने को जदि हम देखिबा दीज आर फ्रेश वाटर as well as मेराइन इन हैबिटेट. ए माने फ्रेश वाटर फॉर्म रे देखा जानती एवं मेराइन आकार रे मध्य एमाने समुद्र जल रे मध्य वास करती एवं मधुर जल रे मध्य वास करती. मेटाजेनेसिस occurs there. So the asexual mode of life is altered by sexual mode of life, that is metagenesis, and metagenesis seen in this class. and mesoglea that present in between that two layers of body wall, outer ectoderm and inner endoderm. এই দুইটা লেয়ার মঝিরে যে জেলি লাইক সাবস্টান্স রহুচি a cellular jelly like substance that is called as mesoglea, and here in this class the organisms contains thin mesoglea. Then germ cells derived from ectoderm. पिलवाने germ cell कहले those cells are able to produce gametes. गैमेटिक सेल तैयारी करूथिबा सेल गुडी को हमें कहिबा जर्म सेल, एवं से जर्म सेल गुडा को डेवलप करूची एक्टोडर्म रु बा आउटर बॉडी वाल रु, एवं जो जर्म लेयर रु जर्म सेल गुडा को डेवलप करूची ताहा होची एक्टोडर्म. नेमाटोब्लास्ट derived from ectoderm. Also nematoblast are developed from that ectoderm by outer body wall. Then some organisms those are included coming under this class, they are Hydra, Obelia, Physalia. पिले माने Hydra तो मैंने जानी चो, Obelia जानी चो, एवं Physalia is commonly called as Portuguese man of war, एवं Obelia को कहा जाता है sheep for. Portuguese man of war एक ही में कहा जाता है Physalia को because of its appearance and disappearance in sea. हठात आविर्भाव करके देखा जिवे, हठात बुड़ी जिवे, सेहि पई ताको कहा जाउची पोर्तुगीज म्यान ऑफ वार. कारण पोर्तुगीज रो सैन्य माने युद्ध जहाज नेला बेले से माने हठात जुआर रे लुचि जानती एवं किछि समय पर आविर्भाव होंती. शत्रुपक्ष सैन्य भाबंती जे प्रकृति से माने बुड़ी गले बोली. सेहि भलिया एमानकर सडन अपीयरेंस और डिसअपीयरेंस जो समुद्र रे एमानक कहा जाउची पोर्तुगीज म्यान ऑफ वार, दैट इज फाइसेलिया. Then come to the class 2, that is Scyphozoa. Scyphozoa class रे थिबा समस्त organism गुडी को मेराइन there is no fresh water form present in this class. पिला माने एई क्लास रे जदि हम देखिबा जेते को सिलेंड्रेट अछंती एई क्लास रे समस्त होछंती मेराइन. फ्रेश वाटर फॉर्म बिल्कुल रहंती, ओनली medusa are present. पिला माने this class Hydrozoa contains that polypoid as well as medusa, but only medusoid forms are present in case of Scyphozoa. Medusoid means umbrella shaped forms of body, that is only present in this class. And mesoglea, in comparison to that of Hydrozoa, the mesoglea present in between that ectoderm and endoderm, it is thick. Mesoglea that lies in between ectoderm and endoderm, it is thick. Metagenesis is absent. Here metagenesis occurs in that of Hydrozoa, but it is absent from Scyphozoa. So alternation of generation or metagenesis absent from these organisms, those are included in class Scyphozoa. Germ cells derived from endoderm. जब हमें दीटा तक क्लास को कंपेयर करेगा, in case of Hydrozoa, the germ cells are derived or developed from ectoderm, whereas in Scyphozoa the germ cells developed from endoderm. All are dioecious. जेतेक ऑर्गेनिज्म एथेर अछंती से माने dioecious. एथिरे किंतु monoecious, both the male and female sex organs are present in a single individual, but dioecious is sexes are separated in the form of male and female. So sexual dimorphism takes place there. So in this class sexual dimorphism occurs. So male and female sexes are separated from each other, and asexual reproduction is completely absent. Here asexual reproduction can occur, but here in case of class Scyphozoa, organisms do not undergo that asexual reproduction. एमानकर asexual reproduction नहीं. एवं आर example है Aurelia, and the larva of that Aurelia is Pnaluna larva, Ephyra larva. These are some larval forms. Aurelia, जोटा को हमें कहते commonly it is called as jellyfish. Then come to the next class of phylum Coelenterate, that Cubozoa. पिलमाने क्यूबोजोआ एथिपाई ना हेछि एमानकर स्ट्रक्चर क्यूब आकृतिर. इट इज नॉट सर्कुलर. एमाने सर्कुलर नहंती पिलमाने ताहले एमाने निश्चय सब गुडी को मेडुसॉइड फॉर्म. सो ऑल आर मेराइन, those organisms included in this class all are marine and medusa squares, square shaped medusa, cubed shaped medusa. That is why the class is named as cubozoa. Eyes most complicated to detect light. एमानक पाखरे जो eye spot अछि, they are only highly complex to detect the light. एवं एमानकर example होछि chironex. So last but not least, the fourth class of phylum Coelenterata is Anthozoa. Anthozoa is the largest class of phylum Coelenterata or Cnidaria. And these includes all the marine organisms, and polypoid forms are present in this class. Medusoid are absent, but polypoid cylindrical forms of body is present. Metagenesis absent. पिले माने alternation of generation बा metagenesis एमाननको ठारे देखा जाए नहीं. And germ cells developed from endoderm. Endoderm developed that germ cells. Nematoblast present with both in ectoderm and endoderm. Nematoblast or stinging cells these are present both in ectoderm and endoderm, which secretes some toxic substances. And body shows bilateral symmetry. If you have seen the examples, Calamum adancia, Cpen penatula, Cpen gorgonia. So these are the common examples of this largest class of phylum Coelenterata, that is Anthozoa. So students, this is all about that phylum Coelenterata, and in my next video I will describe about the next phylum. So if you like my video, then subscribe it and press the bell icon for notification of new videos. Also students, screenshot of these characters also you can see in my description box. So once again, thank you.